Most people think building wealth in your 20s is impossible without money or a trust fund. But here's the truth. You don't need money to start, not a single dollar. Even tiny actions can grow into something big over time. We're talking about freedom, options, a life where money works for you, not the other way around. By the end of this video, you'll know the 3 steps to start building wealth starting today, even with nothing. In your 20s, time is your superpower. Money is just a tool. Most people waste it thinking they have plenty. Start early. Even small steps multiply over time. Imagine planting a tree today. It could become a forest in 10 years. Most people wait for the perfect job or perfect moment. That moment never comes. Action beats waiting every time. Skills, network, and small investments are your real tools. These are things money alone can't buy. Step 1. Build skills, not just money. The skills you learn in your 20s can make you money for the next 50 years. Step 2. Leverage your network. Friends, mentors, and communities. They're your real wealth. Connections multiply your opportunities. Step 3. Start small. Side hustles, micro-investments, freelancing. Even $10 a week grows if you're consistent. Even with $0 today, small consistent actions can snowball into real wealth over the next few years. Track your progress. Celebrate small wins. This keeps you motivated and reminds you that effort compounds over time. Most people quit because they expect instant results. Wealth is not magic. It grows silently, behind the scenes, like interest in a bank. Fear is normal. Seeing an empty bank account is scary. But don't let fear stop you. Start small, start today. Invest a little. Even a single coin invested consistently grows faster than money left idle. Network consistently. Build relationships. Every conversation can lead to unexpected opportunities for growth and learning. Learn skills daily. Each skill is a tool you can turn into money, leverage, or a business in the future. The real secret: start. Even if small, action beats planning. Momentum is your best friend when you have nothing. Look back after a year. You'll be amazed how little efforts create massive changes. Time multiplies action exponentially. Nothing huge happens at first, just small wins. A little saved, a little earned, but confidence starts growing. 1 coin becomes 2, 2 become 4. This is compounding. Slow today, powerful tomorrow. Then life interrupts, bills appear, temptations whisper. Old habits try to pull you back. Some money is lost. Progress feels slower. Doubt creeps in quietly. But this is the moment that matters. Quit, or continue doing small, boring, smart actions. Alex keeps going. Same habits, same patience. Time stays on his side. Something strange happens. Time feels faster. Progress that took months now takes weeks. Effort finally meets momentum. Small actions start pushing themselves forward. Money is no longer traded only for time. Systems begin working even when Alex rests. Bills stop feeling scary. Choices feel lighter. Freedom begins quietly. This is not luck. Alex didn't get rich. He became someone who builds wealth. The same path was always there. Most people just stopped walking too early. Years ago, Alex felt broke and lost. Now the pattern is obvious. Wealth didn't come from money. It came from time, patience, and consistency. You don't need a $100,000 job. You need a plan, action, and patience. Start building wealth today, even with nothing. Time is your friend. Skills, network, small investments. They all multiply if you start early. Your 20s are golden. If you're ready to take control of your 20s, hit that subscribe button. Your wealth journey starts right now. Remember, small actions today grow into massive freedom tomorrow. Start your journey now. Your future self will thank you.